Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this Olympiad mathematics question. It was sent to me yesterday, though I couldn't find a simple way to solve it using Olympiad standard. Therefore I am going to find the values of x and y, then substitute them into the expression we are looking for. Alright, the question is, if 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of y is equal to 24 and x minus y is equal to 1, we are asked to evaluate the square root of y minus x to the power of 2022. So if you have an idea on how to solve it using Olympiad standard, you can state it in the comment box below. Alright, let's get started. I would like to start with the equation number 1. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So from equation number 1, we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of y equal to 24. I would like to divide every single term by 2 to the power of y. So we have 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of y plus 2 to the power of y divided by 2 to the power of y equal to 24 divided by 2 to the power of y. According to one of the laws of indices, we can write this as 2 raised to the power of x minus y plus 1, because numerator and denominator are exactly the same and they are non-zero. This is equal to 24 divided by 2 to the power of y. But from the second equation, we have seen that x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, we can replace this exponent x minus y with 1. So we have 2 to the power of 1, which is 2, plus 1 equal to 3. To the left-hand side, this is equal to 24 divided by 2 to the power of y. And we can switch 3 and 2 to the power of y. Therefore, 2 to the power of y is equal to 24 divided by 3. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. Therefore, 2 to the power of y is equal to 8. And 8 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3, right? So 2 to the power of y is equal to 2 to the power of 3. The bases are the same. Therefore, the exponents are also the same. This is the value of y. So to find the value of x, we can substitute y equal to 3 in the second equation. We know that x minus y is equal to 1, right? But y is equal to 3, so x minus 3 equal to 1. Take negative 3 to the other side, it is going to become positive. Therefore, x will be equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So we have gotten the value of x as 4 and the value of y as 3. But what are we looking for? We are looking for the square root of y minus x to the power of 2022. Square root of y minus x to the power of 2022. What is y? Y is 3 and x is 4. So this becomes the square root of what? 3 minus 4 to the power of 2022. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So we have square root of negative 1 to the power of 2022. And square root of negative 1 is I. So this is I to the power of 2022. But how can we evaluate I to any power? There are two things you should remember. I raised to the power of 4 and its multiples like 8, 12 and so on will forever give us 1. And I squared is equal to negative 1. So these two are very important. Therefore, we know that I to the 2022 is the same thing as I to the 2020 multiplied by I squared. According to one of the laws of indices, you can take one base and add the exponent, right? And 2020 is a multiple of 4 because 2020 is equal to 4 multiplied by 505, right? So we can write this as I to the power of 4 raised to the power of 505, then multiplied by I squared. I remember that I told you I to the power of 4 and its multiples will always give us 1. So this is equal to 1 multiplied by I squared is negative 1. So we have negative 1 right here. and 1 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 1. Therefore, the square root of y minus x to the power of 2022 is nothing but negative 1, provided that those two equations are true. That is, this exponential equation and this linear equation. If at all they are true, square root of y minus x to the power of 2022 will give us negative 1. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.